Hello? It's me, Sonic! Something terrible has happened! I went for a swim in the river, left all my needles on the bank, and some idiot stole them! What, have you seen who did it? Wait! Someone's calling me! Sonic? Why do you look so weird? Without those sharp needles of yours, you look like a naked idiot hedgehog.
Shut up, Cartoon Cat! Keep your nose out of it!
Oh, come on. I think I know what the problem is. Is this what you're looking for?
What? My needles! You stole them, you psychopath! Give them back right now!
Me? Stole them? No, I just found them on a rock. No one was nearby. They were just there, shining.
I was swimming, idiot! Give it back, or you'll regret it!
Easy, naked hedgehog. I can sell them back for just $1 million. Otherwise, I'll keep them as a souvenir.
$1 million?
Are you crazy? Okay, screw it. Agreed. Send me the location where to leave the money. Okay. And don't even think about cheating, Sonic. Without your needles, you're not even a hero, just a bald loser.
A few moments later.
Guys, great news! I got $1 million. True, I had to rob a bank. But the main thing is, I'm getting my needles back. And most importantly, I found spare needles. Is this an accident? Damn, how do I stop this truck?
Hello, Sonic.
Jesus! Let's see what's going on here. Rumi Mira, what have you done?
It wasn't us. That weird dog ran out in front of that bald guy's wheels and then he crashed into us.
Okay, let me try to free your sports car.
You won't succeed. Sonic, look behind you. Is that a huge cat standing there, or is it just me?
Damn, it's him, Cartoon Cat.
Anything but that. Those monsters are in our city again.
Don't be afraid, Beauty, I'll figure it out. And I've changed my mind about paying him the money. I'll just kick his ass and take my needles back.
Dude, he's not alone. You can't handle this.
Oh my god, there's Siren Head too. I can handle this if you help me. So, shall we play? Hey, Cartoon Cat, get your $1 million.
The attack has begun! You pissed them off!
Don't worry, everything is going according to plan. Hey, beauties, we need to stick together. Ouch! Mira, don't you know how to use that thing? We need to get closer!
Leave my car alone. Give Cartoon Cat his money and maybe then he'll stop.
Okay, whatever you say. Oh no, I'm stuck. Cartoon Cat, I'm coming your way. Stop before it's too late.
Sonic, Mira's okay. We're going to the other side of the street and we'll go in from behind.
Great idea. Haha, did you see that?
No,
I destroyed it.
you're great!
Wow, what an explosion.
What was that?
I accidentally blew up all the tanks.
Easy there, dude. Come here quick. There are the same monsters here, but smaller.
I'm coming. Look at my blaster.
Dude, we're here, on the roof.
There you are.
Look to the right.
Oh my god, there they go again. I think I made them angry. Oh no! Ouch! What's that? Leave me alone! Enough!
Sonic, run!
You shouldn't have attacked me!
Sonic, come here! It grabbed my leg!
I'll save you! That was easy.
Thank you!
What's that strange sound? Where is it coming from?
I don't know.
He's gone now! It seems there's no one else.
We won!
Great. I'm going to return the money to the bank. Friends, subscribe to the channel. See you there.
Goo Goo Gaga viewers, this is a disaster. My hair was stolen! I went to bed with hair and I woke up bald! Who does this? I didn't touch anything! I didn't let anyone!
Hey, hello, Don't be scared, but
It's my hair! Sonic! You stole it! Give it back immediately!
What? No, it's not me, honestly. I woke up and it was already on me. I didn't even think about it.
Didn't think? It's on your head! Who else could?
I don't know, but this is definitely not my idea. I need to run.
Relax, Goo Goo Gaga Penguin. It was me.
What? You?
I was conducting a new experiment. A method of moving biological materials over a distance while you were all asleep.
You stole my hair for an experiment?
technically, yes. But the experiment is successful, very successful.
Give it back to me immediately!
Maybe. But first, a few more tests.
You'll regret contacting us!
A few moments later.
Goo Goo Gaga Penguin, how are you?
Because of you, I have no hair, and I had to wear a wig.
It's not me! Don't you understand? Why does this bother me?
The prototype called me, and he just made fun of us.
Stop! What is this? A skibidi toilet? What is he doing here? If I find the prototype, I'll flush him down the toilet.
He's so big.
There are people near him. What are you standing there for? Are you afraid?
I'm not afraid of anything, but you go first.
Now I can easily destroy him. Or not. Why don't the police do anything?
What can they do against this giant?
Oops. Why am I? Stupid piece of iron. Goo Goo Gaga Penguin, where are you? So maybe you don't need to straighten your hair? I told you it would be easy.
Mr. Sonic, we have trouble.
What is it?
Wait for me!
Locusts, but we can handle them. The wind will blow them away. Ha ha ha. Hello, fools. Have you seen my cat? He's magical. Oh, I'm afraid. Goo Goo Gaga Penguin, are you here? Wow, did you go to judo?
Watch and learn, don't be in charge!
Well done, I'm impressed. Well, what's this again? Stop pushing me!
I'm mad at you! It's all because of you!
The prototype did it! I'm not guilty! We'll find him and he'll give you back what he stole! And here he is!
Oh, thief, give it back properly! Otherwise your laboratory will be gone!
Don't shout, I'll deal with him. There's our guard. Stay outside for now.
Activated.
It's not working. Oh, hello, how are you? Guys, do something. Don't just watch. I warned you.
I'm on the attack! You got me!
What about my phone? It's gonna run out of battery soon. Why did you run away?
He's not responding to me!
Oh my God, what for? Oh no, my hand! It hurt, but I'm resilient. You're so fast. I can't stand it again. No! So unfair. Why doesn't he touch you? You guys conspired. Now you will be in shock. That distance from me. What? Can't he jump higher? No one can beat this superpower of mine. In short, you got me. My phone is running out of battery. Bye.